Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Flux Core Wire is probably one of the most versatile welding solutions out there, especially for those just starting out or working in less than ideal conditions. This wire is designed to make welding easier and more efficient, offering a great balance of performance and user-friendliness. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 030 Flux Core Welding Wire, exploring its key features and why it might be the perfect choice for your next project. Number 5. Forney 42300 Flux Core MIG Wire. This Flux Core MIG wire is designed for mild steel and is self-shielded. It's perfect for those jobs where the material might be a little rusty, dirty, or even painted. This wire is best for single-pass applications, offering high travel speeds. It runs hotter than solid wires, making it efficient for your projects. Don't let the wind stop you. This wire excels in outdoor, windy conditions, providing consistent performance. It is a .030 diameter wire and comes in a convenient 2-pound spool. It is silver in color, making it easy to see during welding. Click on the Forney name to discover a wide range of welders, abrasives, tools, and more to meet all your needs. What we like. This wire is self-shielded, meaning you don't need any extra gas. If you're working outdoors or in a windy environment, this is perfect for you. It runs hotter than solid wires, allowing for single-pass applications with high travel speed, making your work more efficient. What people say. The welds look clean, it is easy to use without gas, it has moderate spatter, it functions great and fits as small flux core welders. Works great with my small welder. Flows smoothly and produces a good weld. Number 4. ARCCAPTAIN .030E71T GS Flux Core Welding Wire. This .030 Flux Core Welding Wire eliminates the need for shielding gas. Simply install it and start welding in all positions, perfect for various joint types. It's designed for ease of use and efficiency. Experience smooth arc action and excellent feedability with this wire. You'll notice less splatter, resulting in clean and beautiful welds. It's ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This self-shielded wire performs well on rusty, dirty, or painted materials. It's also resistant to oil pollution, making it perfect for outdoor and high-altitude use. The wire ensures consistent results. The Flux Core Welding Wire is vacuum-packed to protect it from water, moisture, and dust. This ensures the wire maintains its optimal welding performance and delivers excellent results. This packing method preserves its quality. This MIG welder wire has passed the TV test, made with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The product comes from a factory with 20 years of experience in welding accessories, ensuring high standards. You can trust its reliability. What we like. This wire is designed for easy and quick welding, with no need for shielding gas. If you are a DIY enthusiast or a metalworking hobbyist, this is the perfect choice. The vacuum-packed design ensures optimal performance, especially if you need to work in tough conditions. What people say. It feeds smoothly, produces strong welds, and has very little splatter. The bead quality is excellent, and it produces a consistent, clean weld with minimal spatter, which means less cleanup afterward. The welds were strong and looked professional, even without any gas shielding. Number 3. PGNE71T 11.030-inch Flux Core Welding Wire. Make your welding projects a breeze with this Flux Core Welding Wire. It eliminates the need for shielding gas. The flux filling ensures beautiful welds, making it perfect for outdoor use. Impress your clients with the precision and arc control this gasless welder wire provides. You'll appreciate the low splatter, whether you're doing single or multi-pass welds. It's great for various joint types. Whether you're a professional welder, a hobbyist, or a DIY enthusiast, this gasless MIG wire offers flexibility for various projects. It has a 0.030-inch diameter, suitable for many applications. Save money without sacrificing quality. This Flux Core Welding Wire comes in a 10-pound spool at a competitive price. It's carefully packaged to prevent tangles, ensuring a smooth experience. We take pride in offering welding accessories that meet high standards. Check out our collection to upgrade your business or personal projects with uncompromising quality. We are based in South Florida. What we like. This wire offers low splatter, making your welding experience cleaner and more efficient. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for various projects, this 10-pound spool is a great value. It gives you the freedom to work on multiple projects, whether you're a professional or a beginner. What people say. Seems to be on par with much more expensive brands, i.e. Lincoln Hobart. Have not noticed excessive splatter issues. Seems to be a really good wire. So far this test spool runs fine with less spatter than cheap wire. Welds very smooth, no issues, feels quality. Minimal spatter, slag removal was typical. Number 2. Blue Demon E71T 11.030x2 LB welding wire. This E71T 11 wire doesn't need shielding gas. The Flux Core replaces the need for gas, making it ideal for various situations. It's perfect for mobile and outdoor jobs. The wire works on carbon and galvanized steel. You can use it for maintenance, automotive repairs, and light structural work. It's a great choice for many different projects. This wire is less affected by rust and mill scale. You can still get good welds even when conditions aren't perfect. It also produces minimal spatter, and the slag is easy to remove. It runs similarly to E71T GS but is designed for multiple passes. This wire uses DCN and can be used in flat, horizontal, vertical upwards, and overhead positions. The wire includes silicon for better weld pool fluidity and manganese for improved hardness. It also contains other deoxidizers to ensure optimal performance. This ensures a strong and reliable weld. What we like. This wire doesn't require shielding gas, making it perfect for mobile and outdoor jobs. If you need to work on carbon and galvanized steel in various applications, this is the right choice. It's also less sensitive to contaminants, allowing you to make quality welds even in less than ideal conditions. What people say. It makes very little spatter or slag. The welds are nice and strong. This wire has got much less splatter than Vulcan smooth welding, works very well. Easy to use, seems like it burns a brighter color than your run-of-the-mill Lincoln stuff, or maybe whiter. Not sure. LOL. Number 1. SONNLER 0.030 Flux Core Welding Wire, 3-pack. This bundle includes 3 packs of SONNLER Flux Core Welding Wire. Each pack is individually vacuum packed to ensure quality. This is a great value for your welding needs. Made from premium AWS E71T GS mild steel, this wire makes welding projects simple. It's perfect for various weld types, including T-joints, butt welds, and lap welds. Each 2-pound spool of the welding wire is individually vacuum packed. This packaging is waterproof and moisture-proof, ensuring the wire performs at its best for MIG welding. The SONNLER 0.030 Flux Core Welding Wire offers great slag coverage and minimal spatter. This means less cleanup and optimal results, making your work more efficient. This gasless flux core wire is designed for MIG welding machines. It's compatible with various welders, including HF, Forney, and Lincoln models. It's suitable for both professionals and beginners. What we like. This bundle offers great value with its multiple packs. If you want to finish your welding project easily, this is the right choice. It has minimal spatter, which means less cleanup, optimizing your welding work. What people say. Excellent product. Low spatter and great weld quality. Each roll is vacuum sealed, which is great for shelf life. This wire works perfect, low splatter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.